Hey everyone, have you been searching for a CNC router that actually delivers on speed, precision, and ease of use without breaking the bank? If you're tired of machines that promise the world but leave you stuck with endless calibration and slow cuts, you're going to want to see this. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I recently got my hands on the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 V2, and after putting it through its paces with everything from softwoods to aluminum, I've got to say, this thing is a game. Well, not a game changer, but definitely a workflow changer. It's not just about the speed, though that's a big part of it. It's about how smoothly it handles projects that used to feel like a chore. Whether you're a hobbyist trying to step up your game or a small business owner looking to bring production in-house, this machine might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. First off, let's talk speed. The PROVerXL 4030 V2 comes with an upgraded motion system that actually lives up to the hype. I ran a full sheet of plywood through it for a custom shelving project, and the difference in cut time compared to my old router was noticeable from the first pass. It's not just faster, it's smoother. The closed-loop stepper motors keep everything locked in, so you don't get that frustrating lag or drift that can ruin a cut. If you've ever had to redo a project because the bit wandered off track, you'll appreciate what this machine brings to the table. Ease of use is another big win here. Assembly was straightforward, and the instructions were clear enough that I had it up and running in under an hour. The control software, while not as flashy as some high-end options, is intuitive and gets the job done without a steep learning curve. I was able to import designs, adjust settings, and start cutting within minutes. That's huge if you're balancing a side hustle with a full-time job or just don't have time to fiddle with complicated setups. Plus, the workspace is well lit and the included limit switches make homing the machine a breeze, no more manual adjustments or guesswork. Now, let's talk materials. This thing isn't picky. I've used it on pine, plywood, MDF, acrylic, and even 6061 aluminum with the right bits and feeds. The rigid frame and linear guides keep vibrations to a minimum, so your cuts stay clean even when you're pushing the limits of what the machine can handle. For small business owners, that versatility is clutch. Whether you're prototyping furniture, making signs, or cutting parts for custom builds, the PROVerXL 4030 V2 handles it all without needing a dedicated machine for each material. That alone saved me from having to invest in multiple routers, which adds up fast. Another thing that stood out was the noise level. CNC routers can be loud, but this one runs surprisingly quiet thanks to the closed-loop steppers and the overall build quality. I was able to run it in my garage workshop without it sounding like a jet engine taking off. That might not seem like a big deal until you're trying to work in a shared space or early in the morning when everyone's still asleep. It's one of those small details that makes a big difference in day-to-day usability. Now, I won't pretend it's perfect. The dust collection could be better. The machine comes with a basic hose attachment, but it's not enough to handle heavy material like aluminum without some extra setup. You'll likely want to invest in a shop vac or a dedicated dust shoe to keep your workspace clean. Also, while the software is user-friendly, if you're looking for advanced features like fourth axis support or complex toolpath simulations, you might hit the limits of what it can do. It's great for most hobbyist and small business needs, but power users might outgrow it eventually. All in all, the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 V2 is a solid investment for anyone serious about CNC routing without the premium price tag. It's fast, reliable, and versatile enough to handle a wide range of projects. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your setup, this machine is definitely worth considering. You can find all the details in the link below. Happy building!